Hello YouTube! Today I'm gonna teach you how to use VLC as a screen recorder. You see, we're looking for applications or softwares that can record our screen, but we don't know that VLC is not just a media player but also can be used as a screen recorder. Here's how. First, you need to download VLC. In my case, I already installed it. But if you want to look for or download for, I'll provide the link below for download of VLC. Okay, now open VLC. Now for us to start to make use VLC as a screen recorder, we need to open VLC. Then click for media. Then choose open capture device. Now, open capture device, as you can see, the capture mode and everything. Now, from the capture mode, we can see a drop-down menu. Let's choose desktop. And once we choose desktop, we can see that there's at the bottom part, we can see the desired frame rate for capture. Now, you can input what is your desired frame rate. It could be 10 frames per second, 15, 20, it's your choice. Now for me, I prefer 15 frames per second. Then, you can see the drop down in the play button. Choose convert. Now, after we choose convert, there's another tab that shows. In this case, we need to create a profile. Let's create a new profile. Click this one. The button beside the X button is this. Click it. And we need to input a profile name. Let's say capture desktop. Then we need to choose the file type of the output. Since we are recording, it should be a video output. But what kind of file type? We can have FLV, AVI, MPEG, MKB, FLAC, and MP4. I prefer choosing MP4. Okay? But before that, before you click create, go to the video codec tab. Tick this box to change the MPEG to H-264. Don't forget to change this one, this codec. So the preferred or the it is the preferred codec for videos. Then create. Now, before we can start recording, we need to input the destination file. Where do we want to save the file? In this case, I will put it in my desktop, and let's title it video 1. Then save. Now once we start, we can see that the video 1, we can see it here. It will appear here once we start recording. Okay, now let's start. Here's the video 1. Now we are recording now. We are recording now, and we can see that here is the file. Here's the output of this recording. We can do everything we want. We can record our gameplay, we can record whatever is happening in the screen is recorded by the VLC. We can watch movies, we can open Google, we can open YouTube. Okay? We can watch a video. What type of video do you want? We can watch this one. Oh, there's an ad. Damn these ads.
This was me right after I started my business.
We can close that. And the screen is recording. VLC is recording. Okay? Now, if we want to stop recording, let's click stop button in the VLC. And as you can see, the video one is already a file. Now, if we open this video one, we can see the VLC. We can see the recording of our desktop. Now, here's when we open the YouTube. When we watch a video, and everything that is happening. Okay? That's all. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. You can comment down below for other videos that, or for other things that you want me to do. Thank you and good day.